Hey, Grant here, and I'm out here under the tree in our backyard on our little deck. I wanted to show you something my wife has gotten, and they're called solar lanterns. And they're like little globes. Very simple. And they're held by a rope. You just take them out of the box, take this lid off here, flip the switch on, put the lid back on, and hang them wherever you want to hang them. And that's all there is to it. We've got them in our backyard, and as you can see, my wife has got us hanging them on the trees here over our deck. So it really changes the look of your backyard, believe it or not, or the area that you want to use them in. Our neighbors always tell us our backyard looks magical now. We're like fairyland, but we really like them. They don't put out like a lot of light to where it makes your deck glow where you can see everything good, but it has a nice ambience about it. And I'll add some footage on here showing you the way these things look at nighttime. Anyway, that's what they are. They're solar lanterns. I hope this helps. Hope to see you again.